one right there.
All right, let's see what's going on.
Yeah, with the building.
There we go.
The buildings.
How you doing, buddy? What's up?
I told you, Jim.
It's called flare, bitches. You ain't. Oh no! Off my grill.
You got it, buddy.
I'm on him. He's coming out here. You ain't slick.
He does know what he's doing, though.
Does, doesn't he?
Yeah.
There he is.
So weird, yeah, hopefully they can get it.
Tone, baby. Come on, come on, come on. I got your ass, bitch. Yeah. It's up in your grill, bitch! Oh! Yes, run away from that. See how that works out for you. Oh, he got on me, too. That's alright. That's an answer to that question. Oh. It's called flares, baby.
I got out, dude.
Oh, he's gonna get me. He's gonna get me.
Look at that, First Sergeant. He got... Dude, he got out. Oh, what a...
Wait for the lock. Wait for the lock.
Watch yourself, whoa.
He's still there. 96. There he is. Damn, he abandoned that son of a bitch. He left that motherfucker, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, but you know what that just means? Hi. How you doing? Oh, how am I gonna lose tone? Seriously? You gotta be shitting.
That was bullshit.
Flare. Bail the corner.
Bail the corner.
Up. In between. Oh, hit the wall. Scrapes.
That's alright, though. Oh, yeah, then there he is, dude.
Get some. Get some. Get some. Oh, no. I think I got flare.
Out, though, dude.
I'm trying.
Yeah.
I don't have a flare. Oh, that's gonna be rough. Oh, that's gonna be real rough. Hold her up. Hold her up. Woo! Keep that hog in the air. He's right there. He's right there. The AA gun's right there.
Yes, he's still in it.
Oh shit! He's right on me. White on rice. God damn it! Where the fuck did he go? Dude was tailing me. No,
gun's blown up, dude.
No, it wasn't. It's Hilo. He's on me. He's somewhere right on top of me. God damn it, flare.
Yeah.
Woo! Run away! Yeah, like I say, they're on me.
Yeah, he's on you. Oh, dude, you just made a good cut.
I don't have him though.
There he is. He's up now. He's up above you, dude.
I got him. He's somewhere around here. Yeah, he's behind that building. Here he is. He's coming out. Oh, damn! Yeah, he got me, dude.